Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhaktiyabeh Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. The interim report on the death of the Sri Lankan student in Japan reveals that the detainee groaned in pain for hours. The Attorney General issues guidelines to ease congestion in prisons. Racketeers sell COVID-19 vaccines for 5,000 rupees. Shammi Silva was elected uncontested as the SLC president. COVID-19 patients occupy 90% of hospital beds and 50% of ICU beds. Samagi Jana Balawega MP Mujibur Rahman contracts COVID-19. Now diving into those stories in detail. An interim report issued by Japan's Immigration Bureau regarding the death of Sri Lankan student Vishma Sandamali has revealed that the detainee groaned in pain for hours before breathing her last in her solitary confinement cell at Nagoya Detention Center in Japan last month. Vishma, who was being detained for overstaying her student visa, died on the 6th of March after complaining of a stomachache and other symptoms from mid-January. Her death has raised questions about the medical care provided to her at the detention facility, triggering allegations of basic human rights violations. Reportedly, she received no emergency treatment for over 2 hours, despite the cell being under 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Attorney General Dappula de Oliveira has issued fresh guidelines to the IGP for bail in respect of several offences in order to immediately reduce the prison remand population and overcrowding in the face of the rising COVID-19 pandemic. The AG has issued these guidelines as per the request of Secretary to the Ministry of Justice and the Director General of Prisons. There are reports surfacing that selling of COVID-19 AstraZeneca second dose vaccines at 5,000 rupees each besides the government's vaccination drive. GMOA Assistant Secretary Dr. Naveen D'Souza told the media that since a limited number of AstraZeneca vaccines were delivered to the country, people are in a rush to get them and have formed long queues. In the meantime, certain racketeers have capitalized this opportunity to maliciously sell these vaccines. Shammi Silva was elected uncontested as the president of Sri Lanka Cricket for the 2021 to 2023 period. The decision was declared by the election committee of SLC. Silva's election marks his second term in office as the president of Sri Lanka Cricket. Due to the heavy spike in COVID-19 cases in the country, 90% of the hospital beds have been occupied by COVID patients and only 10% beds are to treat other patients. GMOA General Committee member Dr. Prasad Kolambage said after a huge effort, the hospital management had managed to control the situation at ICUs, but more than 50% of the ICU beds have already been occupied. Samagi Jana Balawega MP Mujibur Rahman has tested positive for COVID-19. He is currently being treated in a private hospital in Colombo. For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhaktiyabeh Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.